In the same committee hearing, Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima assured that the expenditure program for 2015 will be provided with the needed revenues. He said the shortfall in revenue collections will be covered through borrowing from local and foreign sources. Again, here's Freddy Abando.
The country's economic expansion has sustained the revenue generation to grow at double digits and faster than the nominal GDP growth for 2014. Because of this, Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima is confident the trend is on track for the same performance to provide the resources for the proposed 2015 national budget.
For the third year in a row, Mr. Chairman, total revenue growth in 2013 outpaced nominal GDP growth. While nominal GDP in 2013 grew by 9.3%, total revenues and tax revenues grew faster at 11.8% and 12.8% respectively.
Revenues are expected to grow by 15.8%, pegged at 2.337 trillion pesos. The Bureau of Internal Revenue projected collections of 1.720.8 trillion pesos, customs with 456.5 billion pesos. Other sources of revenues will come from non-tax revenues, treasury operations, and privatization. Sin tax collections has been a major boost to revenue collections. Purisima proposed a number of measures to include the rationalization of fiscal incentives to raise another 30 billion pesos in added collections in the future.
We are continuing with the uptrend trajectory of our collection efforts to extend the message that we have and will continue to lay the foundation for a sustainable fiscal growth. We endeavor all this with our commitment to stay on the path of fiscal consolidation to keep the deficit at 2% of GDP over the medium term.
The projected deficit for 2015 is 283 billion pesos. The shortfall in revenue collections will be covered through borrowing from local and foreign sources. The government will borrow 700.8 billion pesos, 605.1 billion pesos or 86.3% from local sources, 95.7 billion to be financed externally through concessional loans and commercial borrowings from global capital markets. It will plug the deficit and amortize. The country's principal debt, which has been declining under the Aquino administration.
Proactive debt management coupled with revenue reform efforts has increased the manageability of our debt burden, as can be observed in the decreasing portion of revenue allocated to debt service. Likewise, the portion of the budget spent to pay interest has exhibited a downward trend, implying that more and more funds are being used for more productive expenditures. As of the end of 2013, the general government debt stood at 4.5 trillion or 39.2% of GDP, lower than the 40.6% ratio in 2012 and an improvement from the 44.3% in 2009. This continuing trend of decreasing general government debt to GDP ratio is aimed at ensuring sustained fiscal space throughout the medium term and more specifically attaining the goal of 30% by year 2016.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.